Most traders lose money because they jump into random trades with no plan. But what if I told you there's a way to catch only the highest probability swing positions, the trades that actually stack the odds in your favor? In this live session, I'm going to show you exactly how I spot, plan, and execute swing trades with precision. You'll see how I mark my zones, confirm my entries, and set my risk to reward so you can stop gambling and start trading like a professional. Stick around, because you're about to see real setups unfold, live. Welcome back to BigPips Trading Solutions, where we cut through the noise and give you practical Forex strategies that actually work. Today's video is all about swing trading the smart way. You'll learn how to identify high-probability swing setups, how to confirm your entries, how to plan your risk to reward, and of course, we'll break down some live charts together. If you're ready to trade smarter, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. Swing trading framework. So let's start with the basics. A good swing trade always begins with a higher timeframe structure. If the market is trending up, we're only looking to buy pullbacks into key support. If it's trending down, we're only looking to sell rallies into resistance. Simple. The goal is to stack probabilities. Trend. Key level. Confirmation candle. When those three things line up, you've got a swing setup worth watching. Besides this, we use our AIHI Auto Trader, which gives us high intel info, so we have a firm handle on our target prices. Identifying high probability zones. Now let's mark up some live charts. Here, we have clear support and resistance levels. Notice carefully the buy-sell candlesticks and the patterns unfolding in these support and resistance zones. That's where the high probability trades are hiding. We are data traders and we therefore lean on AI/HI sources to understand market direction and play the patient game. Quick question for you, drop a comment below, what's your favorite time frame for swing trading? Do you prefer the 4-hour chart, or are you more of a daily chart sniper? I'd love to know. Entry and risk management. Now, spotting the zone is one thing. Entering safely is another. Here's how I do it. First, I wait for a clear confirmation candle, something like an engulfing bar or a break-and retest. Then I engage my AI Auto Trader executioner. The Auto Trader aim for at least a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. That means if I risk 50 pips, targeting at least 100 pips. Remember, one solid swing position can pay for 5 bad trades, if you let your winners run. Live trade setup example. Alright, let's put this into practice with a real chart example. On the AUDUSD asset chart shown, I've marked the buy entry and target zones. My entry would be in the entry zone, stop losses are automatically built into the Auto AI Trader, and my target zone is also integrated for efficiency. Now the question is, would you take this trade as indicated by the AI Auto Trader? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. Psychology and patience. Here's the part most traders overlook, patience. Swing trades don't play out in 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes hours, even days. The difference between beginners and pros is simple, beginners chase trades, pros let trades come to them. Remember that. So let's recap. Always start with higher timeframe structure. Trade only from strong support or resistance zones. Stack your confirmations. Manage your risk first, profit second. If you got value from this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more live trading setups, and check out my swing trading strategies playlist linked right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next setup. Thanks for watching BigPips Trading Solutions. Trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.